In this example, I'll add an annotation to this map with a dynamic measure value. To include the sales amount and year, I'll right-click on the US, go to Annotate, and choose a mark. But when I go to Insert, you can see that we don't have those fields currently in there. And that's because we haven't included them in our view yet. So first I'll drag sales into the marks, and I'll also drag order date into the marks. Then I'll add order date to the filters and choose a relative date. And I want to filter for this year only. Now when I right-click, go to Annotate, Mark, you can see I have the option to add all of these fields in here. So I'm going to type out something like US dominated with, and then I'll insert the sum of sales. Then I'll type in sales in and insert the year. And I want to put the sales in terms of thousands. But you can see when I right-click Format on the sum of sales and I try to change it within here, it doesn't update within the annotation. To change the number format within an annotation, I need to right-click on the field within our pane. Then I'll go to Default Properties and choose the number format. Here I can change it to a custom currency with no decimals in the thousands. And now it's updated to that number format within our annotation. I'm going to edit the annotation, and I'll change the font size to 7. I'll make this Tableau regular, and I'll unbold everything. Then I'll bold just the sum of sales so it sticks out. And I want this annotation to be on the left side of our map, so I'm going to drag it over. To format the annotation box itself, I'll right-click Format, and for the shading, I'm going to choose a light gray. I'll add a white border, and I want to make the corners rounded. For the line, I'm going to make this white, and I'll do an open arrow line end. And I'm just going to edit the text real quick to center it. So now when I filter by a field like segment, and I choose just one segment, you can see the sales amount updated within our annotation.